Sri Kanchi Pariyava, Chapter 22. Where did the lorry's gear got problem? That is where the lorry stopped. When they informed it was at Achirupakam, Pariyava thought for a while and asked the madam at Rameshwaram to do Ganapati Omam and do prayers. They got another vehicle and transferred the statue of Adi Shankarar at Rameswaram, and it was sent to Rameswaram, and it was launched and did the Pratishtai on time. At the time, Pariyava said something important to all. In the Puranam, there is an incident. Sivaperumal will take the chariot to burn Tirupuram. It is like a war. In his hurry to go, he forgot to pray to Pillayar. So his chariot gear will break, and the chariot is stopped halfway. At that time, Naradar will come and inform Sivaperumal that he forgot to pray to Pillayar. That's why the chariot was stopped halfway. His journey was stopped. Sivaperumal too prays to Pillayar, and the gear is repaired, and the chariot is ready to go. Later, Sivaperumal wins the war and teaches a lesson for the Asura power. The place where the chariot stopped is called Achirupakam. They also call it Acharapakam when talking. Today also that was the same place that the lorry bringing Adi Shankara's statue broke down. From this a truth is well known. Adi Shankara is form of Shiva Perumal. Saiva people don't believe in rebirth or reincarnation. Vainava people believe in rebirth and reincarnation. Here in Achirupakam, the lorry broke down. Here, as the statue was stopped here, we can confirm that Adi Shankara is no different from Shiva Perumal. Both are the same. Next, if we start any work without praying to Ganapati, there will be obstructions in our work. If we pray to him first, he will take care of the rest. Here we should not take it as he stopped his father's chariot and made him pray to him. Father son is our relations for human beings only. Ganapati is Parvati's son and is the first for all. He is the first for all the Mandiram chanted. If we pray to him first, all our works will end well. To show this to the world, that's why this happened to Lord Shiva. Ishwaran also did the prayers and showed us all an example and guided us all. When Ishwaran himself does it, then we should do it too, says Pariyava. After this only, all understood Pillayar. Prayers to be done first and the power of that prayers. Because of this, wherever Pariyava sees Pillayar temple, he will stop, pray, and then only leave the place. He has said a lot about Pillayar praises in Samantakamani Malai story in his spiritual speech. Same like this, when he said the spiritual speech of Pillayar in Avayar, he also gave a lot of rare information in it. Let's come to Pillayar temple first in Kanchi. When Pariyava came here, the temple was in festival celebrations. Every day there was decorations of flowers. On that day, the flower decorations was amazing and it looked very lovely. The temple looked very attractive. Pariyava was very happy and amazed. He asked, who did these flower decorations so beautifully? It was a Muslim person. He sells flowers. That is his job. They brought him and showed to Pariyava. He also bowed his head in respect. Pariyava blessed him and said, I must put bracelet for your hands. It is so beautiful, your handworks. Later he talked for some time with him happily and freely. He did not differentiate as he was different religion. He asked, you do prayers continuously, right? He too replied, I am doing 5 times continuously, Sami. Pariyava said something that even that person did not know. All think that prayer is for 5 times, but previously there was for 6 times. Midnight was the 6th time, but since all had to sleep, I guess it was not continued, Pariyava said.